Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to fix your Messenger video call camera settings. So in order to fix it, you have to first of all make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Messenger application. So when you open up your Messenger application, this is how it's going to look like. So you're going to tap the tab bar icon, and when you go to the gear icon, and from the gear icon, scroll down a bit and go to privacy and safety. So if you're using an iOS device, you should be able to find the camera setting right on this page. However, as for the Android user, the following feature is not available on the Messenger application or on the app itself. So you have to exit out of your app and then press on your Messenger application and head over to its app info page. When you do that, it's going to take you to this page where you have to go to permission. And when you have located permission and tap the camera icon, over here you could go ahead and make changes with the following information. Let's say that if you've enabled don't allow, then this might be one of the reasons why you are unable to take videos or video call and all that. However, you could also try this steps, and you're still unable to fix it, then try updating your application as well. Sometimes just by updating your application, it can be able to fix the issue. So head over to your Play Store, and on the search box, go ahead and type in Messenger, and here you should be able to locate update instead of open, which means that you have to update the app, and updating your application can fix the issue all at once. So in this way you can fix your Messenger video call camera settings. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.